Open house is October 28th, 2022. I am Miss Caporal, and I am a kindergarten teacher. My name is Miss Caporal, a kindergarten teacher at North Georgetown Elementary. I got my teaching degree from Wilmington University in 2025. Prior to getting my teaching degree, I was a substitute teacher at Seaford School District. I went to Seaford my entire life and graduated in 2019. I grew up in Blades, a small town located off of Seaford. Same zip code as Seaford. I love to be with my puppy Flora in my free time and with my family back at home. My goal is to earn a master's degree in education someday to become the best teacher that I can possibly be. I am looking forward to working with each and every one of you and your parents this year. So let's have a good school year. Please contact me anytime with any questions or concerns. Room 2. You can contact me at North Georgetown Elementary in Georgetown, Delaware at either stephanie.caporal@georgetown.de.us and the school phone number at extension 2088 or in my classroom at room 208. Our basic kindergarten curriculum goals is math, basic counting from 1 to 20 by the end of the school year, as well as adding and subtracting small numbers. ELE, reading short sentences as well as short sentence phrase writing comprehension is key at this age. Science, basic outdoor knowledge, wildlife, living conditions, and exploration, including fish, birds, and squirrels. Social studies, just common society knowledge. Our schedule is from 8 to 8:30 is arrival and announcements, 8:35 to 9:30 ELA, 9:30 to 10:30 is math, 10:35 to 11:30 is recess, lunch from 11:35 to 12:10, social studies from 12:20 to 1 o'clock, science from 1:10 to 2 o'clock, wrap up and work time 2 to 2:30, specials 2:30 to 3:45, and dismissal at 4. On Monday, we will have gym. On Tuesday, we will have art. On Wednesday, we have music. Thursday, we have computer lab. And Friday, we have library. Upcoming events include book fair on October 5th, 2021 through October 11th, 2021. Holiday party, December 16th at 1 p.m. Behavior, always be on your best behavior. Always raise your hand. Do not speak out of turn. Be on time to class every day.